You're about to watch the Polly Detmer's channel. Enjoy.
Yes, you see someone making a pizza. It's a barbecue pork pizza. That is Randy at Randall's Pizza at the Davison Farmers Market. Now, I did not go there to get pizza this time. I went there to get some cannolis. I've never tried his cannolis. So, him and his wife supposedly make some great ones. But here you're seeing him make this barbecue pork pizza. Yeah. Here at Davison Farmers Market, such a vibrant and alive place. And it's a great place for families to go to. What else? What else could be better? Folks, we're back in Davison Farmers Market. Oh, look at this. Oh. How's it going? I'm gonna surprise him a little bit here. If we can get his attention. Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Hey, look. We're the same. We're the same. Now, when the Navy sent me to the Culinary Institute of America in Hyde Park, New York, they had us make cannolis there. I was all excited about it. What I just was disappointed in is they were about the size of my little finger. Cannoli, 4 for $10. Thin Mint and Lucky Charms. I don't need that many, but I'll probably just get 2, 1 of each. Well, there's the Lucky Charms, and then we got a Thin Mint. And she fills them on the spot, huh?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Nice. Refrigeration.
Too long, they get soggy, and
right.
You don't want a soggy cannoli.
No.
Shell.
I haven't had a cannoli in Michigan since 1982. That was on Gratiot Avenue in Detroit. Yep. All right.
So reveal your baby.
Oh, nice. So, what keeps it kind of a traditional cannoli?
Traditional cannoli, we make it with a ricotta base. So ricotta, powdered sugar, oh, it's on here. Yeah, ricotta, powdered sugar, usually vanilla. Obviously with the Thin Mint we didn't do vanilla, we did chocolate cocoa powder and some Thin Mint cookies.
All right, and then Lucky Charms, that's pretty innovative thinking. I'm gonna go try a little bit.
St. Patty's Day.
Sweet.
Support somehow.
Yeah, thank you, Randy.
Appreciate it, Paul.
Okay, here is the Thin Mint. Nice fried shell. So, let's just try it. Got the chocolate dipped on the edges. Nice. I'm gonna have to ask Randy if he's Italiano or not. I'm not. That was sweet. Look at that. Getting that nice chocolate with the ricotta cheese. Very good. So right here is the Lucky Charms. Guess which side I'm going to bite off first. Again, another nice cannoli shell. So yeah, here we go. Let's take a bite off the Lucky Charms side. Amazingly great. Randall's Pizza here at Davison Farmers Market. That filling is outstanding. Now, in Washington State, I went to Leavenworth, Washington. It's kind of like a German theme there, and they had cannolis, and they were filled with whipped cream. That was it. This is the way you do it. It's big, it's hearty. is made right. With a little feel to it. Little innovative thinking. It's very good.
There you go. There you go. Okay,
Let's go ask Randy
go home.
if he's
Want
Italian.
some of this right now?
Hey Randy, are you Italiano?
I am not. I am not. Probably should be.
Me neither. I'm not one either. There he goes doing his patented pizza dough, tossing, spreading. Oh, nice, nice. So, does your when you put that butter and Italian seasoning on it, does that ever loosen up that crust too much?
No. Honestly, no, it doesn't. Yeah, it's,
Obviously, I can see that.
yeah, it holds together pretty good.
Yeah.
So,
Is your dough usually cold when you spread it?
usually I'll try to bring it a little bit to like a room temperature. It just depends on how many orders we have throughout the day and like how many I'm prepping. But if it's cold, it stretches just fine. It's just a little harder to maneuver when it's really cold.
Yeah, cool.
So having a little bit room temperature makes it a little bit easier, but that just guarantees like the dough doesn't get hard and doesn't develop that crust layer on top.
Skin on there.
Yep. So
Very cool. All right, Randy, thank you. Appreciate it.
thank you. Appreciate you.
I still wear the shirt proudly.
I appreciate that too. It's awesome.
All right, later.
All right. See you next time.